Welcome to Cad-Cafe, and on this tutorial I'll be taking you through the SolidWorks environment 2. And previously we talked about the environment, but we didn't cover up some bunch of topics. Okay, so quickly I'll be showing you, taking you through this important part which you're supposed to know. So let's just start a new drawing quickly. This is the part, okay? So you okay that? So on the SolidWorks environment, all right. So this is the center where you have your workspace, or which way you do your drawing in, is your graphic area. So this is your graphic area, and then the left part of the bar where you have this. Okay, towards here is where you have your feature manager design tree. Okay, now this, if you were to use any feature here, okay, let's say the extruded balls, revolve balls, and base. th- this feature will you pop up here. Okay, if actually you've selected it for usage, right? So So that means over down here you have your features toolbar, right? So over here is your future manager design tree, and then down here is your features toolbar. All right. So and then on the right hand side we have the SolidWorks resources, the design library, and so on and so forth. So we have your sketch tool, sorry, your tax pan, your tax pan. All right. So this is your tax pan. Okay, and then just above the graphic area is your heads up toolbar. Okay, so heads up view toolbar, heads up view toolbar. All right, and then just above the heads up view toolbar, it's your it's a command manager. Okay, it's a command manager bar. All right, and then just above it where we have your file, your edit, your view, your insert, your tools, your window is menu, your menu bar. All right, so okay, so those are the few things I needed to just talk to you about. Okay. So those are the parts or the different areas of which you have in your SolidWorks environment. Once again, your graphic area, which is this space, your, your feature toolbar, if you're using any feature, will be down here, and then your feature manager design tree, and then your custom, your command manager bar, then your menu bar, your tax span, your view head up toolbar, or your, you can also call it your heads up view toolbar. Okay. All right. Where you have your zoom to feed, all right, your zoom to area, and section view, dynamic annotation views, and then different views. Okay. Top, your left. Okay. So this is where you could change your views to different orientations. Okay. Of the drawing. So that is that for the environment. And down here is where you have your, this is where you have your unit system. Okay. And then while this editing part, this section, the bottom is, so you have your status, it's a status bar. Okay, so for instance, in the previous video we talked about fully defined sketches and undefined and overdefined sketch. So this at every point will tell you what is happening to your sketch or your drawing, if it's fully defined or not. Okay, so that's the status bar. Okay, so that will be all for this video, and thank you very much. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment for